Ayan. Chris Duarte. And last 3 packs. Sana naman. Lakers, Brooklyn, 4 Master. Oh, boss. Kispert yan, Kispert. Swerte. Mga naglalabas ng Kispert. And Pascal Siakam for the Raptors. Cat for the Timberwolves. SGA for the Thunder. And a Bones Highland for the Nuggets. Evan Mobley for the Cavs. Lumabas na din. And for Aztate for the Thunder, Josh Giddey. And Matt, okay na? Josh Giddey, Aztate. Nice hit. For OKC. Dumali din. And early in the CK Blasters, dumali din ang OKC. Nice hit. So let's start again. Ooh, Drew Holiday. Another first Aztate for this box. Miles Bridges again for the Hornets. And Zach LaVine for the Bulls. Jared Butler for the Jazz. And a JRE for the Thunder. Oh, it's again for the Thunder. Another Josh Giddey. 2 for Matt. Ayan, congrats. Isa pang Josh Giddey acetate. So most likely, si Kispert na naman yung acetate natin. Ayan, nag-iinit nga ito. Nag-iinit ang Thunder, ha. Nag-iinit. So, ayan. Back to back. Josh Giddey.